Hello students, today we are going to begin with the next concept of comparative statement, that is comparative income statement. Now here I have in this slide you can see the specimen of comparative income statement, that is for 2 years 2008 and 9. Here increase or decrease for 2 years 2008 and 2009. Here also increase and decrease for the 2 years 2008 and 9, like that. Okay, now see this format, we have to follow the same format for the statement. See, net sales, cost of sales you have to deduct, you will get gross profit, operating expenses, then office and administration expenses, selling and distribution expenses, total operating expenses. You will get operating profit. From the gross profit deduct operating expenses, you will get operating profit, less other expenses. If there is any other expenses, you have to deduct. Okay, then you will get net profit after tax. Other expenses you have to deduct. Okay, these are the things you have to remember. This is a format to compute the comparative income statement. Okay, now next there is a problem. I'll explain the problem as if how to do this. See, the problem goes like this: net sales, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, administrative and expenses, selling and distribution expenses, then you have non-operating expenses, interest paid and income tax. Okay, now we will go for the computation. Comparative income statement. Now comparative income statement, 2 years information, you have to draw the columns as I have explained you for the format. Now net sales, what is the sales given for 2008 and 9, write down. After that, compare the increase or decrease. There is an increase, so write plus 1,15,000. Now how to calculate percentage is whatever the increase decrease divided by the base into 100, that is 1,15,000 divided by 7,85,000 into 100. You will get the answer plus, because this is plus, this also plus, 14.6. Less cost of goods sold given in the problem, write down, deduct it, you will get gross profit. Calculate the increase or decrease. There is an increase, so write down a increase of 50,000, then it is plus 11%. So gross profit you will get plus 65,000, it is plus 19.4%. Next is office and administrative expenses. You have to deduct all the office and administrative expenses. Office and administration expenses, that is selling and distribution expenses. You will get minus 2,000 and plus 10,000. Okay, now here also percentage same thing, minus 2,000 divided by 70,000 into 100, you will get plus 2.8. Here 10,000 divided by 80,000 into 100, you will get 12.5. Okay, here total operating expenses, the total of office administration and selling and distribution, it is 50,000. Okay, then operating profit you will get calculate, then find out the difference. It is plus 53,000, it is plus 28.65%. Less other expenses, other deduction. If there is any other expenses, you check in the problem, you will get the other expenses you have is interest paid and income tax paid. All these two things you have to deduct. See, here I have deducted interest paid, you will get net profit after before tax, less income tax, you will get net profit after tax. The thing is, you have to follow the format and calculate. Okay, whatever the format given, the same thing you have to do in the form of format. Increase and decrease you will get when you compare the values, calculate the percentage. Okay, so this is how you have to compute a comparative income statement. Comparative balance sheet I have explained you. Today it is comparative income, comparative income statement. Okay. Now third one is common size statement analysis that I will explain you in the next recorded slide. Okay. So the explanation here is we will take the total as a percentage, and then we have to take the total assets and total liability as a base and then calculate the percentage. Okay. That is for a common size statement analysis. This I will explain you in the next recorded slide. Okay. So go through the problem. If you have any doubts regarding how to compute, you can clarify with me personally. Thank you.